So I've been looking for a charging cable for the past weeks now to be able to charge my phone that I'm using as a camera here and also my TWS here. And I've been using this charging cable for the past couple of days now, and here is my review. Let's go to the unboxing. So here is the unboxing of the package. You can see the top logo and also the packaging. It's somehow hard for me to open it with my knife. I realized that my knife was not that sharp. Okay. I decided to open it with just using my bare hands. And there, the package is inside with the cable and also the top slogan. I was wondering how to open this. I was really confused how to open this type of package. There. It opened like I expected. And that is the cable. The 1 meter cable. Gotta say it looks good with its braided type. And it looks sturdy enough to last for about how much months. It's the micro USB and the type C cable. The display current will be shown here. Has a matte finish. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is the AC Q.C 3.0 voltage and current display fast charging 2-in-1 micro USB and type C cable from Topk. That's a long ass name. The color I chose is the black one. The length is 1 meter. The outputs are the type C connector has a 3 amp max. The micro has a 2.4 amp max. The materials here are the metal port plus the nylon wire, which makes the product durable and also resist tangles. It has a real-time monitoring of current and voltage that allows you to see the charging status of your phone while charging your device. Has an advertised 10,000 bend lifespan and is also, like what they said, tangle-free. So on to my personal thoughts. I don't know if it's the problem with the product or but my Samsung A20 does not trigger the fast charging connection. It only displays the cable charging, so be wary of that. I'm using a Samsung fast charging adapter and I really don't know why the fast charging is not working with my device. But on the flip side, it does its job pretty well, like I said. It helps with having the two cables, the micro USB and the type C, which helps me to reduce the amount of cables I need to bring with me everywhere I go. And with the material presented, it's very good. That's my review of the Topk charging cable 2-in-1. And this is me, George Abonal. Peace.